All right, guys, welcome to another edition of Umber Outdoors. We've just about completed the renovation on our Rodeo camper for Capri, and we're going to just do a little walkthrough and show y'all how it all turned out and see what y'all think about it. Hopefully, we'll get to go on a maiden voyage here before long. We've had some family emergencies and a death in the family and stuff, so we've been on hold for a little bit. But hopefully in another month or so we'll get to load it up and get out and see how it does. But we're going to turn the camera around and get inside and take a look at it and see what you guys think. All right, guys, so here's what we got so far. We got some new paint on the outside. This thing was originally gray and white, and we went back with black. I just like the look of the black a little bit better. But we got all of our jacks on there and got those things really fastened good and sealed in, and we went around and put some clear caulking and silicone around on it and got it fixed up. I think we've got all the, make sure there's no leaks or anything. I don't think we got any leaks, so we'll just do a little walk around on the outside first. And this thing's not perfect, y'all, but we don't have a whole lot of money in it either. We got a little spot right there we didn't do anything with, but the roof's in good shape. It's got a new vent up there. On this side, I got to do a little more cleaning on the glass, but on this side, there was a couple of places, and something's done got on me here, but I got to clean that up. But a couple of spots here, got some new decals. And my plan is right here, there was a bad spot here, and somebody had it covered up with a bunch of stuff. It's not very big, it was just a little small spot, but somebody kind of messed it up there. But what my plan is on that is to get a piece of diamond plate and put here with a hinge to where we can use it for like a fish cleaning station or something like that. But I haven't got around to that. That's about the only thing on the outside I haven't got done. But we got our AC in. We got some nice aluminum around it to hold it in place good. Put us a new little light here. Got our cord going into the inside there. Painted our door, got it fixed up, and let's go inside. I have to get in here and turn the light on. I ain't even turned the light on yet. All right, so here we are on the inside, guys. We built these little shelves on the left here just for some storage area because it's kind of a wasted space. So we got some pretty good storage down in there. And then we got a little area right here where we could sit. We kept the same floor. It was in good shape, so we kept it. We made us a door there to cover our battery and all. We've got a full twin mattress in here, and then we've got some memory foam up top there. And I've got a couple more lights there. I've got to decide where we're going to put those, but let me come on in, turn this other light on back here. So we got our memory foam mattress up there, big enough for at least kids, maybe a small adult. Down here, I got a little more wiring to do. I got my pliers there. But down here we got our bed. We made us some curtains out of some material there. And I've got an inverter that I still got to hook up, and it's going to go down in that area there. But we got a mini fridge here in the corner. We got our AC right there. We built us a little coffee pot holder. It's just a little Keurig, and we can put our coffee and water under here and plug it in right up there. But we're going to attach this to where it doesn't move to help secure the refrigerator there. But we'll probably going to put a strap from here over the top to keep the door from coming open. Just a little bungee or something there. But this thing is really super roomy for a small truck camper. Got a window on that side. We kept this same material on top that the guy had put in before, but it's got a brand new fan up top, new lights here, new lights here. Old style front window, but it's in pretty good shape, so we didn't mess with it. But the side windows are I don't know if those came in this or what, but they're the nice sliding type. But got, let's see if this comes on. AC comes on. Like I say, we got our coffee pot over here, we got our fridge here. All that's run off of 110 shore power. We do have a battery for the lights, and it's got a battery tender on it, which all that's housed down here in this little sliding compartment door there. So we just do that. But like I say, you can sit right there, put your shoes on. May put a hanging rod up here underneath this to hang clothes right here. And then we could use that over there for, you know, food storage or whatever. But we've got it trimmed out around the AC with a cedar boards. This whole thing's got cedar on the inside, and so it's got a good smell, and the cedar kind of keeps the bugs away and everything. So I like the way it turned out and looked. I like the vertical look a little better than the horizontal look. But we only thing I hadn't done, and I probably need to do, probably paint that door possibly. I don't know, may leave it brown. But man, this thing is super roomy. I can lay down, I'm about 6'1". I can lay down sideways across this mattress and got plenty of room. That little AC, man, it's 62, which is not very cool, or not very warm outside, but AC does a super job. It was like 98 degrees, and we had that going with the door shut when we were putting everything together in here, and it got it down to like 61 degrees. It was 99 outside. So the walls are insulated, the ceiling's insulated. I think the only thing that's not insulated is probably the floor. But if y'all like what you see, drop it in the comments. And like I say, we're in this thing pretty reasonable. We didn't spend a lot of money redoing it. Got a lot of sweat equity in it for sure, but you know, that's part of it. But I'm extremely happy with the way it turned out. Can't wait to go check out maybe Lake Guntersville one weekend and do some fishing and set this thing up in a campground up there somewhere for a couple days. And like I say, I'm about 6'1". I can't stand completely up in it, but I think a guy that was probably 5'8" could stand up all the way inside here. There's my little cubby holes there. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see some of the things we done as we were redoing it and kind of the progress of it, we've got some more videos. I think there's 3 or 4 videos before we started on this project, and you can see what we started with and what we finished with, and kind of the renovation process. But if you guys like the video, if you would, please give me a thumbs up there, maybe share it, like, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. You know, it kind of helps the channel out. And if this video does real good, like I say, we're going to take some camping trips in it, go fishing a few times, get some more videos for Umber Outdoors on fishing, and maybe even go hunting or something somewhere in a public forest or something that we can go to. But if y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this on some stuff that's redone, comment in the comments below. If you like it, leave me a comment. If you want to buy it, leave me a comment. I might sell this thing, who knows. Appreciate you guys watching, and see you on the next video on Umber Outdoors.